Hi, I am Captain Salsa, and today I will teach you how you can improve your salsa onto basic step. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more video. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, next. 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, next. 8 and 1, 4 and 5, and, A, E, A. Next, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Next, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 3. Next, 8 and 1, 4 and 5, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 7, and first counting is simply 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, just 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Second is the focus on 2, 3, and forgot about 1 and 5. You will be exactly with the 2, 3 clave song 1. Start from the 1. Now focus on 2. 2, 3, focus on 6, 7. 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. Next, catch the end, catch the every beat on 8 and 4. This is only end before the 1, before the 5. The feeling is on 4 and 8, 2 and 6, 4, 2, 8, 6, every upbeat. Yeah, just 1 will be your full position of your weight. Okay, means. And now focus 2, 3, 2, 3, bass 6, 7, bass 2, 3, bass 6, 7, bass 2, 3, gugum 6, gugum tick tick gugum. Next level, this is counting 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means mambo. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and will give you this system much more movement in upper body. 8 and 1, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 and 1. And I will show you now from this position my steps and length of the steps, which will help you with your dynamic movement. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Focus on 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and next step is use the different direction of your basic step. Use Puerto Rican style, means cross your feet with this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. And now we show you from this position. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. Next, focus 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3. Next, and 1, and point, catch the bass. Boom. And much more positive energy. Bam, and 2, 3, and. Next, catch the 8 and 1, 4 and 5 for more body movement. 8 and 1, 4 and 5. Gogum, 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 gogum. Up. Okay. And do not forget about your salsa basic step, because if you are advanced dancer, you can lose something. Why? You must always back to the beginning for be much more precise. Do not forget learn about the rhythm, because the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 counting is not the rhythm. This is just counting with the natural wave of song, with the beat. But rhythm main rhythm are bass, tumbao, clave, and this rhythm will give you much more movement, much more energy, dynamic, and you will understand much more your salsa. Do not forget use different style for your basic step, because which will give you a different way for different song, because every song have bit different flow. And I highly recommend, if you are interested more about the rhythm, my video course how to dance to the salsa rhythm. Check my video on my website captainsalsa.eu, and see you on the next class, because I will give you the same system but for the master dancer. I will push you for the master level. Do not forget like and push the bell button and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you next time.